ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಮೊದಲು ನಾನು first I would like to congratulate and all the students who are patiently sitting and hearing the speeches of the honorable leaders of this country. ಮತ್ತು ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ತಾಳ್ಮೆಯಿಂದ ಹೊರಗಡೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ನೀವು ಯಾರು ರಾಯಬೇರಿ ಆಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಅರ್ಹತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಗಂಟಾ ಘೋಷವಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಬಯಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಎ ಡಿಸಿಪ್ಲಿನ್ಡ್ ರಾಯಭಾರಿಗಳು ಅಂಬಾಸಿಡರ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿದ್ರೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬಂದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ದಿ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಹೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ, 3 people are being sitting here to deliver the speech. Be disciplined, come back, sit here, then you are the true students of this Rajiv Gandhi University. First I would like to congratulate all of you again. Namaskara. This is the strength of Karnataka Rajiv Gandhi University. Bandhavale, His Excellency the Vice President, very learned senior Constitution head of this country, C.P. Radhakrishna ji, our governor who have been serving this state for a very long time, guided us to a great path, Tawarchand Gehlot ji, ours from the state who has been guiding the state and the country for a very long time, Justice Abdul Nazir ji, my friend Sharan Prakash Patil, who is the medical education minister for a very long time, given great guidance, himself being a doctor. Mr. U.T. Khadar, who is the health and family welfare minister, very senior politician from Karnataka. Mr. B.C. Bhagwan, our vice chancellor of the Rajiv Gandhi University. Then all the council members of the syndicate, Senate, Academic Council, distinguished guests, and very senior former medical vice chancellor who have been assembled here. Today I would like to congratulate you on this Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences. We are celebrating the 31st Foundation Day. I am proud to say that in Karnataka, the Rajiv Gandhi Health University is the largest health science university in the country, producing the highest number of medical graduates. To be on numbers, I was just telling the Vice President of this country, we have 13,940 graduates producing every year. Nowhere in the country, Karnataka state has more than 70 medical colleges. More than 70 medical colleges. We have more than 4 lakh students. Every year more than 70 lakh students pass out of this university. I would like to give the credit to Mr. Veerappa Moily, earlier who started this Rajiv Gandhi University, and it has been named after our great leader Sri Rajiv Gandhi. Today we all are here to make medical education accessible. My friends, all of you are just trying to wipe away from this sun heat. But still you should remember, entire country you don't have this type of weather. This city itself is a weather. It is a famous for weather. This city is called not only the IT capital or a health capital, the weather and the culture can't be matched. This is called the air conditioned city. So in Karnataka, a medical capital what we have, I think the number of hospitals is there in this Bangalore and Karnataka. Nowhere the country has. As a alumni, you all have been here. Lot of you have been working. All the great doctors who have been educated from this university last 30-40 years have been working all over the world. I don't want to speak much today. This university will move to the new campus in Bangalore South District. It is making a very new strength, new guidelines. So I am very happy. Today, 3 great personalities of this country have been here. I am very happy that you are holding Nasha Mukta Bharata Conclave and you all are the ambassadors of it. So drug menace is only the major challenge we are facing today. Today, let us all join together. It is a shame that more of the youths are falling to this trap. You are the ambassador. You have to stop it. You have to guide them. It is your responsibility. You have taken this as a great profession. In this profession, we should see that nothing comes to India and we have to protect it. Today, ನಾನು ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಮಾತನ್ನು ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಬಯಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಪಾನ್ ಮಸಾಲ ಗುಟ್ಕಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಶೆ ಕೂಡ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನನಗೆ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಇದೆ. 100 ಕೋಟಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. ಆದರೆ ಮುಂದಿನ ದಿನದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಲೀಕರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಯಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಇಫ್ ಎನಿವನ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಬಿಟ್ little bit whatever nashe in that, if you see that some small drug is added, I will see that I will try to ban this in Karnataka. So you should be very cautious. I am giving a warning to all. Our goal is to create a drug-free Karnataka in our state. We are doing a lot of work in that. My minister, he has taken a big leap in it. Today, I am very proud. Our Vice President of India, today morning also, I just started this on behalf of the government, this First Polio program. We are very happy in this country. Our Vice President started this great event. I would like to thank it. Enforcement in home is very much essential. That means in your colleges, in your environment, you have to create this. So we should see that we will protect our country. I don't like to speak much. We have a lot of time. Our leaders are there. Drugs menace in this country is like a tap of a bucket. So adrinda ತಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಈ ನಶಾ ಮುಕ್ತ ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಯಭಾರಿಯಾಗಿ ತಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಜವಾಹರ್ಲಾಲ್ ನೆಹರು ಒಂದಿನ ಒಂದು ಮಾತು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ದಿ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ಆಫ್ ಟುಡೇ ವಿಲ್ ಮೇಕ್ ದಿ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಟುಮಾರೋ. ಇಫ್ ವಿ ಡು ನಾಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರ್ ದಿ ಡ್ರಗ್ಸ್ ಟುಡೇ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್. ಸೊ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಡ್ರಗ್ ಫ್ರೀ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕವನ್ನು ನಿರ್ಮಾಣ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡ ಸಹಕಾರಿ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ರಾಯಭಾರಿ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಐ ವುಡ್ once again congratulate the Rajiv Gandhi Health University, the vice chairman and all the vice chairmen earlier who have worked in this department. A great fisher. You have laid a very good foundation. We would like to continue. On behalf of government of Karnataka, I would like to tell my entire government support stand committed with you to save Karnataka and save Karni. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka, Jai Nashamukta Bharata. Agwadala, Jai Hind.